6:37 now. New developments this morning in the case involving the murder of a Clark Atlanta student. This case really stunned Atlanta and the nation.
So now the Georgia Supreme Court has overturned a lower court ruling that was blocking prosecutors from using calls that the suspect made from jail as key evidence in the case. 11 Alive's Karis Belger is live outside the Georgia Supreme Court this morning.
Karis, tell us, how will this decision to impart those calls as evidence impact the case?
Well, prosecutors say that Baron Brantley made incriminating statements while he was making phone calls from jail. But because those phone calls were not with his attorney, he couldn't have expected them to have been private. Prosecutors also argued that before he made those calls, Brantley was warned that they were recorded and that they were monitored. Brantley and his former girlfriend, Jordan Jones, who was Alexis Crawford's roommate, are accused of killing the 21-year-old on the morning of Halloween in 2019. Investigators say Jones led them to Crawford's body in a Decatur park after a days-long search. Brantley's attorney filed a motion to suppress those calls, claiming they violated his rights. A trial court initially agreed, but the state appealed. Now, the case returns to a trial court now, where a judge will decide what parts of those phone calls may be admitted and whether information about Brantley's criminal history and media coverage may also be admitted during this trial. So quite a bit of new information that may come up and a new development in this case. We'll continue to keep you updated. In downtown Atlanta, I'm Karis Belger, 11 Alive News.
Karis, thank you. Again, Jones was roommates with Crawford at Clark Atlanta University, and Brantley was Jones's boyfriend at the time. Brantley asked the court to sever the case, meaning they would have two different trials for that same crime. In 2022, the district attorney said Jones and Brantley gave conflicting accounts that point the finger at each other for the homicide. The trials have yet to start for both Jones and Brantley.